Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to clean a lawnmower without a pressure washer. All you need, trowel and a brush. That's all you need. You don't need no fancy tools. Obviously a pressure washer is best, but not everybody has a pressure washer. So if you feel that your mower's not performing at its best, or it feels heavy, it could just need a good clean out. Try your best to get into all the nooks and crannies if you can. Onto the brush now. Now, if you do have a wire brush, that's also a very good option. But again, not everybody has a wire brush. And there we go, clean. And now we can carry on mowing. There's the rubbish there, fair bit. And now we can proceed. Hope you enjoyed the video. Drop us a comment, like, subscribe if you like it. And I'll see you all on the next video. Thanks for watching.